Magandang araw Katamko. This is an important announcement from Tabuk Multipurpose Cooperative. Please be informed sa latest updates ng ating Mortuary Aid Program as approved during the 2026 General Assembly. Starting May 1, 2026, hanggang 65 years old na lang ang pwedeng mag-apply sa Mortuary Aid Program with an 8-year prorated period o kailangang makumpleto ang 8 years na pagiging mortuary member bago makuha ang buong benepisyo ng programang ito. Take note that regular member applicants from April 1st, 2026 onwards will be covered under this new policy. Ano ibig sabihin ng prorated? Depende sa tagal ng pagiging member ninyo ang matatanggap na benefits. Kapag hindi pa kumpleto, partial benefit lamang ang makukuha. Depende sa kung ilang araw ka naging miyembro. Pero once makumpleto ang 8 years prorated period, makukuha ninyo ang full mortuary benefit. Example, kung 4 years o 1,460 days ka pa lang na member, you will receive half of the total benefit. Ito ang simplified formula. Number of days as mortuary member divided by 2,920 prorated days. Then times the amount of benefit at the time of death is equal to the total benefit of the beneficiaries of the member will receive. Moreover, beginning July 1, 2026, may dalawang importanteng pagbabago. Una, wala nang ipapamahaging mortuary notices. Pangalawa, ang members na may higit sa 6,000 pesos na unpaid mortuary obligations ay automatic nang masususpend ang kanilang mortuary accounts. Kaya naman, ini-encourage ang lahat ng members na regular na i-check ang kanilang obligations at i-update ang kanilang mortuary passbooks at paalala sa lahat ng existing members. You are encouraged to complete your required share capital before the 2027 General Assembly. 25,000 pesos para sa ages 0 to 64. 40,000 pesos para sa ages 65 and above. For more information, bumisita lamang sa pinakamalapit na TAMCO branch sa inyong area. This has been your TAMCO update. Alagang maaasahan, serbisyong pangmatagalan. We care, we grow together.